Guys, welcome back to the channel for another fantastic ride. Bit of a cloudy one today, and with some good chance of rain. Well, we've got our trusty rain jacket. All right. Thomas Middle School, where I was on the junior high basketball team. 7th grade. Made the team, baby. Played for a year. No, I was on the 8th grade team, sorry. Played for a year. And then went over to Hersey High. Big Greek Fest of Niles. Huh. Did you guys see the signage for that? Yeah, there's definitely a decent easterly wind. Well, it looks like it is rubbish day in this side of the street. Everybody's got their cans out. We don't put ours out until Sundays. Come on. There we go. Being the polite guy. And letting people by. Oh wow, that's a nice car there. That's a nice Jeep. Thinking it must be one of those Kias, I think. Because Kia has certainly upped their game. I got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just made it. This has always been a dealership. At one point it was a Lincoln Mercury. I'm definitely feeling the wind tossing me about today. Oh wow, look at that car. Wonder what that is. Probably, couldn't tell from here. Pale Ale, Sierra Nevada. Selva Sierra Costa, as they say in Peru. We are making all the orange lights today. Morning. Hey guys, working on beautifying our roads. Got to address them properly. They're getting there. Oh, look at these old steel blocks. Oh, that must have been like 20 feet by, well, like 10 feet. Excuse me. Catching a little bit of the old wind right down into my throat. Wow, look at these like old steel columns, man. What is that? Maybe when they raise the levels of the roads, maybe that's like to hold up hold up the streets. But yeah, there's some major works going on, as you guys can see there. Yeah, this maybe something to do with this pond. What is this guy doing here with this big old semi? There's no factories on this road. Not sure if the fella is supposed to be on this road, because I think there's a certain truck limit. Well, anyways, getting back to this little pond here. Every time I ride by, you can actually smell that pond. Like something's gone off in there. But perhaps they're doing some work to fix that problem, because you know, you can kind of go by umpteen ponds a day and you never really smell one. But that one certainly does look like something's gone off in there, and I think they need to fix it. And possibly it's maybe like a soil pipe backup, you know, for like the subdivision pipe or something, maybe that maybe burst or broke, and maybe it's spilling all the soil over into the pond, causing the smell. There's something going on there, you know. There's something going on there. So yeah, happy Friday, guys. It is Friday the 8th of July. Morning, guys. Going on a little hike. Yeah, what is particular about this is that, of course, this is in an unincorporated area, so there are no city or town or village sidewalks put in these areas. So if you have to walk anywhere, you're basically walking